This is how to introduce yourself in Ezza. In our last lesson, we learned basic greetings in Ezza like Ndo, which means hello, Edoho, which means how are you, Edike, which means thank you. If you missed that episode, make sure to watch it after this one. Today, we will learn something even more exciting: how to introduce yourself in Ezza. We will learn how to say your name, where you are from, and a little about yourself. Let's begin. Saying your name. How do you say your name? If you want to introduce yourself by saying your name, you go like this. Ekwa mobo mwokok. Pronunciation. Ekwa mobo mwokok. Meaning, my name is Mwokbok. You get it now? Now, my name is Chandel. So let me just introduce myself with my name, which is Chandel. Ekwa mobo Chandel. Meaning, my name is Chandel. Asking someone's name. If you want to ask someone's name, go like this. Nde ekwa. Now let's take it slower. Nde ekwa, meaning what's your name? Saying where you're from. This is how you introduce yourself, by saying where you are from. Mshile Ezza. Mshile Ezza, meaning I am from Ezza. You can also say Mbo onye Ezza. It had the same meaning with Mshile Ezza, which is I am from Ezza. Saying what you do. If you want to say what you do for a living, you can go like this. Mbo onye, meaning I am a singer. Mbo onye nkuzi, meaning I am a teacher. Mbo nwata ekwo, meaning I am a student. Now, let's say it all together in a simple self-introduction. Example 1. Nundo, ekwa mobo Chandel, mshile Ezza, mbo onye vu, nudike o. Translation. Hello, my name is Chandel. I am from Ezza. I am a singer. Thank you. Example 2. Nde ekwa mobo nwankwo, nshila Abakaliki, mbo nwata ekwo. Translation. What's your name? My name is Nwankwo. I am from Abakaliki. I am a student. Beautiful. You just learn how to introduce yourself in Ezza. Try practicing with your friends and family, or record yourself introducing yourself in Ezza and tag me online. I would love to see your progress. In our next episode, we are going to learn Ezza family names and simple questions. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help keep our Ezza dialect and culture alive, one word at a time.